today I give you the makeup product review on which I purchases from the Nykaa apps, and that is the products that I bought it. I ordered some products in Nykaa and yesterday I got these products. So I get this product reviewed out. This is the products. Here is the products mine, and I take it out and give you the review. I take it out and give you the review of these products. So now started from the small one. Here's the products. First one is the 2X Cover Masters Concealer. This is the Insights Makeup Essentials. Inside Makeup Essentials Concealer. Here it is. This is the concealer, and my shade number is 03, the Golden Sand. This is the concealer. You get it by this applicator. So this is the concealer. I hope it is the good. तो ये मैंने परचेस किया है. So this is the concealer, and now this is the VLCC Natural Science Hydrophobic Sunscreen Lotions. This is the with raspberry shade oil, water resistance, long duration protection, paraben free. It is the paraben free sunscreen. So I brought this. It's rupees 375. आपको ये बहुत अच्छी डिस्काउंट में मिल जाएगी नायका में, सो आप ले सकते हैं. इट इज़ VLCC in aqua, paraffins, liquidiums, seed oils is essential hydroxy, raspberry. So it is good. I hope so. When I use it, so I will tell you the reviewed actual. Next box is that box. No, I used small box to open it up. This was the next box. You know it. I use very most of the time. This was the Duo Contours Nikek New York. This was the contour palette. Here the price is 450. ये भी आपको डिस्काउंट में मिल जाएगी नायका पर. So this is the concealer. It is very good. It is a powder concealer. It is contour, sorry, not is concealer, it is contour. It is a powder contour. It is two shades of it. It have two shades. One is darkish and second is lightish. It is very good for eyebrows also. So I feel it sometimes with the eyebrows with this palette. So this is the contour duo. So I brought from Nykaa. In this lockdown, Nykaa is give us the product. It is very good and I hope it is good for us. And next product is that I open it up. This was the Good Vibes Green Tea Glow Toner. It is a green tea glow toner. Good Vibes Glow Toner. It is net volume 120 ml. No alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, gluten-free, and the key ingredients is purified water, camellia sinensis, tea tree leaf. Here is a tea tree leaf. This is very good for anti-acne skin. It is my skin is anti-acne skin and it is very sensitive, so I like it. So that is the toner, ग्लो टोनर. आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. ये प्राइस है 175. 175. Now next one is it is hair care products. Livon's hair straightening serum, express straight for straight hair. Obviously 5x reductions in breakage. ব্রেকেজের জন্য খুবই ভালো. ব্রেকেজ যদি থেকে থাকে, এই যে তলার দিকে যদি কোনো ব্রেকেজ থেকে থাকে, সো এগুলোকে রিপেয়ার করবে. সো এটাই লেখা আছে. আমি আগে কখনো ইউজ করিনি, ইট ফার্স্ট টাইম. আপ টু 12 hours স্ট্রেটার হেয়ার. স্ট্রেটার হেয়ার 12 hours স্ট্রেটার হেয়ার এটা দেবে আর কি. For that desired look, you don't have to look for of the you hairs. Livon's hair straightening serum. So it's rupees MRP 250. 250 इसका प्राइस है 250. आपको ये भी डिस्काउंट में मिल जाएगी. 100 ml है. दिस इज द पैकेज. पंप में मिलेगा आपको. ये पंप में मिल जाएगा. So this is the straightening serum. So yeah. This is the products. And last one is that box. Here is my knife. Where I Here is the Khadi Neem Tulsi face pack, herbal face pack. It is a herbal face pack. It has a stainless steel. So Neem and Tulsi 50 grams 125 रुपीज़. इसका प्राइस है 125 रुपीज़. इसमें मुझे कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं मिली. आई होप सो. I forget it, but yeah, I thought that आपको डिस्काउंट में नहीं मिलेगी, बट ये आई थिंक बहुत गुड इन सेंसिटिव स्किन. दैट्स वाई आई बॉट इट. सो I don't know how it was, how it will be. So I don't know. I hope it is good because it has a neem tulsi that is very good for sensitive skin and our acne prone skin. So that's why it is. I hope so. It will be good. So that is the face pack. So next one is Revolutions Makeup in London Stove Highlighter. मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन का ये हाइलाइटर है, ये बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे तो लग रहा है. सो दैट इज़ द हाइलाइटर एंड दिस रुपीज़ इज़ 650. ये भी आपको डिस्काउंट में मिल जाएगी अगर आप ख़रीदना चाहती है तो. सो ये है highlighter, so I brought it. So this is the highlighter. I get you the swatches. I will also do my makeup with this product, also that product by this, and sometimes I did my makeup by these products, you know that. So जिन्होंने मेरी चैनल को फॉलो करती है वो जानती है मैं इसे बहुत तरह से यूज़ करती हूँ इस पैलेट को. सो ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो आप जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करी तो आप कर सकती है मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. सो दिस बहुत पिगमेंटेड, ये बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है और डस्टी भी फील नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत डस्टी जो फीलिंग्स आती है वो भी नहीं हो रहा है. सो इट इज़ वेरी गुड. सो आई होप सो. So it's very good. This was my products all. I get it from the Nykaa. And yeah, last one is I am not getting it from Nykaa. It is I brought from shopclue.com. So this palette I brought from the shopclue.com. So Morphe HR palette, Jacquemus Hills the palettes. So this is the palette, Morphe Kathleen. So this is the palette. There have a 35 shades. Yeah, this is a 35 shades. This palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. Yes, if you not subscribe my channel, so please like, share and subscribe my channel very first. So 35 color eyeshadow palette. This was the eyeshadow palette. I hope it is. I will share with you the shades. This is the shade Here is the shade. It is good. His price is 999. सो आप बहुत अच्छी पैलेट है 999 में 35 शेड्स है. सो आप बाय कर सकते हैं शॉप क्लूज से. सो दिस इज़ द पैलेट. और अदर साइड्स में आपको ये ऑफर में भी मिल जाएगी. सो 600 के बीच में आपको आ जाएगी ये पैलेट. सो 600 में 600 to 999 आपको मिल जाएगी. सो मैंने ये पैलेट. अगर आपको ये रिव्यूड वाला वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और प्लीज़ फॉलो मी एवरी टाइम. बाय बाय.